I'm Ronnie Appel, and I'm going to share with you the Aveda Botanical Repair. The Botanical Repair is supposed to instantly strengthen your hair from the inside out, using no synthetics to cure damage. Today you'll see me use this system along with this rich, intensive strengthening mask.
Just after a road trip, you can see hair's not very strong, tends to tangle and around my... Yeah, let's see what this Botanical Repair can do for me. Make sure and thoroughly saturate your hair. I always do 2 shampoos. Typically, I feel like the first shampoo is to get product buildup out of my hair. So you'll see in the second shampoo that the shampoo actually gets a lot more sudsy. I start by a really stimulating shampoo process where I'm invigorating the scalp, getting blood circulation going, and moving around oils. The second shampoo is a little bit more of a medium, getting the distribution of shampoo throughout. And then I do the relaxing conditioner just to kind of calm my scalp down and start working towards the end of my shower. Here comes my favorite part, the mask. There's 2 options with the new line. One is a light and the other is a rich. I chose rich because it's formulated for all textures of medium to thick hair types. This product felt really good. It combed through really nice, helped me detangle my hair, so I took a brush and just kind of brushed it through and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Use a towel to remove excess water from your hair. Applying the leave-in conditioner, you can use a moderate amount. It was pretty light once it dried. So here's my hair with no extra product in other than the leave-in conditioner for the Botanical Repair. And you can see I can run my fingers through it. It's a bit softer. Condition is definitely nicer. You can see the strands don't look as wiry or as frayed as they were. I'm pretty impressed with the product. It's got a lot of bounce to it. Not my typical style of how I wear my hair, but I wanted you to see it in its natural state when I've only used the Botanical Repair products. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. Feels good. I'm not getting snagged. To finish it off, I'm going to use one of my favorite product combos. So I've got the foam reset here. I take 2 pumps of that, actually 3 pumps. My hair is so dry. Work it into my hands, and then I'm just going to kind of scrunch it around, work it in. I like to use the Performance Grooming Clay, and I'm just going to use about a dime size of that. There, work it into my hands. Make sure you don't get any clumps in it. Have it nice and evenly distributed throughout your hands. I always like to start in the back of my hair. That way I don't get a clump right in the front of it. And then I'm just kind of working it through. And scrunching it around a little bit. Pull these curls. Gives you like a nice matte finish. Not too shiny, but still keeps your hair defined. I live in Florida, so I need some humidity control, and the clay certainly helps me with that. It gives me some weight to my hair, so it weighs it down. And there you have it. So I definitely like the Botanical Repair. It feels great. Hair is not snagging like it was in the befores, and I didn't have to use a ton of product to get the curl defined. So hope you enjoyed.